what up guys? A little summer break interruption with a special event going on. We are currently in a supporting vehicle, our Toyota Corolla Verso, and we are towing our AE86 Intruder. We are going to Kranj. It's a city close to Ljubljana, and there is a Cineplexx movie theater. And there's a Fast and Furious spinoff premiere titled Hobbs Shaw. 32nd Drift Squadron is presenting there our whole squadron with our friends, with our partners, even Slovenian army is joining us. So yeah, we are going there. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna watch movie. That's it. See you in Kranj. Just arrived at Cineplexx Kranj. Car's already parked. So is the Drift Squadron tent. And let's get this party going. What's up, guys? Woo. We have Mark II Volkswagen Scirocco from our team member Tit. Mr. Urbisan, the guy that landed us his all-in events, E36 in Čakovec. Urbi, did you plug up your car or it's working?
It's working.
It's working even better because you fixed the handbrake. Yeah. Our AE86 Skyray, or Hachiroko as you know it. And if you notice, it's a bit different because we did a little bit of spray painting, and now the A86 is wearing a so-called panda look with addition of our drift body. Uroš Bicent checking out our Hachiroko drift ready weapon. When you gonna drift, man?
Naveen, give me the keys. Let's go.
Let's go! Yeah. Our partner, Postani Vojak PKC, is also here. They brought some weaponry. Unfortunately, none of the armored vehicles or tank or whatever, because they're busy with some other missions going on at the moment, but still, it's a cool feature for a Fast and Furious movie premiere because, you know, nowadays these new parts that they're releasing are mostly about weaponry versus tuned cars, so that's why these things suit so nicely into our premiere. An S2K, the guy that was already with us last premiere, and he's always on our premieres,
always.
Mr. Dinotti, aka
Dinotti,
aka
Russia guy,
aka
Jebac,
aka
S2000,
aka
gamer,
aka
streamer,
aka
film actor,
aka
Ford dealer.
What's your car? You already introduced it, but you changed something.
Why do we speak English here? Guys, we don't understand Slovenian, so you know, it's your bad, but otherwise...
Maybe try in Bosnian.
Bosnian, hoću da pričam bosanski, nema nikakvih problema. They understand? No. Nothing, I just got an S2000. It's
You fucked it up.
it's like nothing
No,
special.
he fucked it up. Why did you remove the tail coilovers, man?
Because they're shit.
No, that's a bullshit.
They're for racing on the racetrack and not for the roads. That's why I put it down.
That's what she said.
You know, I like to ride in style. I don't want to be like, fuck my life.
So tell us, man. We already know that you are a huge fan of Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to this spin-off version?
I mean, I was thinking, what is this part of Fast and Furious? Is this like part in between of them, or this is like a legit part? of
Yeah,
Fast
I'm
and
saying that we are about to figure that one out.
Yeah.
We don't know yet.
Can't
maybe.
wait to see the movie, by the way.
And then we're gonna maybe trash talk about it, or maybe, you know.
I mean, I love Fast and Furious, especially number 1 and number 2.
Yeah, man, he's a huge Honda boy.
That's the time when I fall in love with an S2000, you know, too soon, Junior. Too soon, Junior. That's me. You know?
So he's also AKA Johnny Trent.
Oh yeah, I know.
China
Best
guy.
looking guy in movie, you know. That's
All right, man. Enjoy the movie. RX-8, Cayman GT4, an Opel Kadett. It's a replica of Walter Rohr Kadett that he used to race back in the days. Lamborghini Huracan, Fiesta ST, representing Drift Squadron Street Unit, and GT86 as well as G-Force, brought Evo of course, straight from dyno, but nobody knows what's the power output yet. So stay tuned for that one. Red carpet premiere starting now. Let's go. Who's hyped about the movie? We are Drift Squadron, baby. So he's gonna, how do you call it, theater screen the whole movie, so tomorrow you can download it from some torrent servers. But don't spread the word, man. Link below, link below. So, back in our 30-second Drift Squadron bunker. It's still a work in progress. Skyray is back.
Closing the doors.
Hertz is closing the doors. So, movie. Well, what can we say? If you like action movies, go and watch it. You're probably gonna like it. But if you are a true car enthusiast and want to watch this movie just to see some awesome cars, forget about it. But still, there was this nice McLaren and a Toyota Celica T23. If you can spot it, comment down below at which second or minute of the movie it is. Well, till next time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our content. Hit that bell button and see ya!